In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit margins in Canva. First, open any design or template in Canva so you can see your canvas. We'll start by turning on the tools that make margins and alignment easy. Go up to File, then open Settings. In the Settings panel, switch on Show Rulers and Guides. This reveals rulers along the top and left edges of your canvas and enables guidelines you can place anywhere. With rulers visible, move your cursor over the top or left ruler, click and drag onto the canvas to drop a guide. Drag from the top ruler to create a horizontal guide, or from the left ruler for a vertical guide. Position these guides where you want your margins to be. You can drag any guide again to fine-tune its placement until your content sits comfortably inside your chosen boundary. Next, return to File, open Settings again, and turn on Show Margins. This overlays a built-in safe area on the canvas, so you can quickly see if text or important elements are too close to the edge. It's a great visual check, especially for designs you plan to print or export. If you need more precise structure, go back once more to File, then Settings, and choose Add Guides. This tool lets you set custom margin lines and build a consistent layout. You can add guides exactly where you want them, and you can also create a grid by setting how many columns and how many rows you'd like. Adjust the counts to match your layout needs. For example, a simple 2-column layout for a flyer or more rows to align sections on a social graphic. When everything looks right in the preview, click Add Guides to apply them to your canvas. As you design, align text boxes, images, and shapes to these guides to keep spacing clean and consistent. The guides won't export or print. They're purely for layout, so feel free to use as many as you need. If you ever want to remove what you've added and start fresh, head back to File, open Settings, and click Clear Guides. That instantly removes all custom guidelines. And if you'd like a distraction-free view, you can also turn off Show Margins and toggle off Show Rulers and Guides in the same settings area. That's it. By combining rulers, visible margins, and custom guides, you can set clear boundaries, keep layouts consistent, and speed up your design process in Canva.